the brother of the Salmon. And now, the reason why we're here tonight just because of Mikaela. Mikaela Underberg is a first-year college student at Batanga, Bachelor of Science and Tourism Management. She is the beloved daughter of Mr. Edgar and Romalie Barbar and a loving sister to our Wendy Barbar. Mikaela enjoys doing TikTok videos, traveling and having coffee anywhere she goes. With her passion for exploring new places and meeting new people, she dreams of becoming a flight attendant and successful person in the future. Once again, sama-sama natin i-welcome our celebrant, Mikaela Andrea Barbar! And once again, Miss Mikaela! Mikaela, hello! Hello, Mikaela! Oh! Wow, ang ganda-ganda naman! Once again, people of Humalingan, wala bang balapangan na may kasamang hiyawan. Okay. Family picture muna tayo, ma, please. Come closer.
Guys, maganda.
Wow. Hello, katag sa kuya.
Ay, napagayta.
Happy family. Okay. Closer.
Tsura natin.
Okay. Thank you po. Mating check yan, ano? Ganda po, ha? Last one. Then, si kuya muna at saka si ate. Ma?
Yan po siya.